Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to go over some of the best crypto exchanges in Australia. Now, first up, we have OKX, and it is a very good one. As you can see, the fees are like 0.02 to zero point 0.5. You have, all these pros which are commissioned to transparency. It has a lot of advanced trading features. It also supports AUD, which means Australian dollar deposits and withdrawals. But one of the cons is that it is recently launched. Next up, CoinSpot, and it is founded in 2013. It is one of the most oldest and established. Now, it is also one of the best overalls. The pros would be user friendly, 24/7 support, regulatory compliance, and things like that. And the advanced trading options are lacking for some of the more experienced traders, or if you're doing margin or derivative trades, but it is the best overall. SWI FTX is best for staking rewards, as you can see. And next up, we've got the Kraken, which is best for advanced traders. As you can see that these things are being rated as to where they're good and bad. For Kraken, it has 24/7 customer support, relatively low fees. It also has advanced trades, things like that. Now, one of the cons is that it is a US based exchange, so most of the trading pairs are offered with USD, and there's a limited number of cryptocurrencies that you can trade against odd. Now, if you can manage that, then Kraken would be your way to go. But this is it for the video. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.